In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VS Code to Docker. To get started, open Docker Desktop on your computer. This is where you'll be able to view and manage your Docker environment before jumping into any terminal-based work. If Docker Desktop is still loading, give it a moment until everything is fully visible and responsive. It's important to make sure Docker is running properly first, because if the Docker engine isn't active, you won't be able to access your containers. Once Docker Desktop is open, go to the Containers tab from the menu on the left-hand side. This section shows you the containers currently available in your local Docker setup. Think of this as the main dashboard for checking what's running and what you can interact with. If you have multiple containers, this view makes it much easier to identify the one you want to work with. Next, look over to the Actions column. This is where you can quickly see which containers are active and what options are available for each one. A running container is the one you'll want if your goal is to open a live shell session and work inside it. If a container isn't active, the tools you need may not be available yet, so always confirm that you're selecting a running container. After that, click the three-dot menu associated with the container listing. This opens additional options and helps reveal more controls for that specific container. If your Docker interface looks slightly different depending on version or operating system, don't worry. The layout may vary a little, but the key idea is the same. You're looking for the extra actions menu connected to the container you want to access. From there, click the CLI button, which is usually shown as a terminal icon next to a running container. This opens a terminal directly inside that container. At this point, you're interacting with the container environment itself rather than just viewing it from Docker Desktop. This is especially useful when you want to inspect files, run commands, or confirm that your application environment is working as expected. This is the key bridge between Docker and your development workflow. Opening the container terminal gives you direct access to the environment that your code may be running in, which can make troubleshooting and development much smoother. If you're using VS Code alongside this process, this terminal access helps confirm that you're connected to the right container and working in the correct environment. And that's it. You've opened Docker Desktop, located your running containers, and accessed a container directly through its built-in CLI option, making it much easier to work with Docker as part of your VS Code workflow.